Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these FlexiSnake drain weasels. So they're very easy to install. Now this is as long as they are, 18 inches. You're simply going to line these up like this, snap it together, but then you got to rotate or push this white, yellow thing down till it snaps. That's what you're going to hold, and then you rotate it with this. The end of it has like these little, it's like Velcro. It's going to catch hairs. It's very flexible. Now when you're done, you want to pop this open, but it has to make sure that is where the handle is so that you get all the extension, and now it just pops off. You can throw these away when you're done or wash them and reuse them, but again, very simple to install. Line it up, push it down till it snaps. That's the handle you use. Let's go see how they use. Okay, so let's see how well they work. Let's fit it in here. Again, snake it down all the way. Now they are flexible. You might have to push it around. Sometimes it helps if you turn it like this to get it to go a little farther. There it goes. Now it's all the way. Turn it and keep turning it as you pull it out. Okay, that one was pretty clean. Okay, let's check this one. Sometimes this one can have some stuff in it. You can push it down, turn it, and turn it as you're pulling it out. Yeah, this one had a little bit in it. You could also run the water while you're doing this. Push it in there all the way. You can even go down a little bit farther. Get it all nice and clean. Yep, it's clean. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.